she had a man. She told me, girl, we was better off being friends. I told her it was cool cause I got a girl, man, and I ain't trying to disrespect my little lady, man. She said, but I could do you better. Well, I could do you better than he do you even better. So she like, girl, you a real nigga. I'm like, baby girl, I'm the best what I do so you can chill, nigga. She like, I like your swag and your skinny jeans. I'm like, I know it, nigga, I love it. I got plenty green. She like, is that a Louis Vuitton belt in your jeans? I'm like, yeah, 500, I'm doing my thing. She like, you fly like I'm know you wild, like you know I know I'm wild now. Baby girl, you should know that I'm the best, and you should never fuck with the rest. And my talent is a blessing. Yes, I be stressing, I don't be stressing. Matter of fact, when they hate, nigga, I be stressing. I be going on off the top of my head, and niggas like me, I had them niggas peeing in bed, run up on me, snitching like you work for the feds. You think you gangster, run up on me, young nigga be dead. Yeah, I rockin' the best, yeah, I rock with the flesh. They say she dreaming, now she love me cause I'm right in the flesh. She like, Dub, you so good, Dub, you so great. How the hell I didn't give you that date in high school? Matter of fact, in high school, chick thought I was funny. Matter of fact, I was fly, young nigga, not getting money, but I had a little bit, and I was funny, so girls like to be around me. I kept me a couple honeys, but now I'm older, got a lot of money, and I got a better job, and I got some better hoes. Got them light-skinned bitches, skinny ass bitches, them thick ass bitches, them rich ass bitches, them chicken ass chicken finger licking ass bitches. Matter of fact, who you know you love them dick sucking chickens. Ugh. I be on some other shit with my other bitch. My girl trippin', so I go and call my other bitch. My other trip, so I call my fucking other bitch. And y'all like, damn, how many bitches do this nigga get? Every day I get 5 or better, and I don't fuckin' for the free. I don't spend no cheddar. You can love her, you can treat her, you can eat her, you can beat her. Matter of fact, I won't buy shit and I won't treat her. Mickey D's, she can't even get a fucking dollar. Not me, a gift card from Ronald McDonald, can't get it. If you know a girl, I hit it. If your ex-girlfriend know me, I probably hit it. Probably ask her how I went up on that ass, how I grabbed that fucking ass, how I went and straight smashed on that glass, put them cheeks all on that fucking grass. She say, Dub, you crazy, on the beat you at the ass. I watch all 50 of your motherfucking vlogs. When I hear fucking songs, I be leaping like a frog. Well, leap and stick your tongue out on my nuts. Suck me from the front, licking back on her butt. Oh, so nasty. Bring the beat back.